Question 1a is giving us an equation g of t equals e to the negative 3t, and they're asking us to find the derivative of this function. The first thing we need to know when we look at this is that the derivative of e to the x is a special case derivative. And so what that special case looks like is if f of x equals e to the x, then the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. The one thing to note here, though, is as soon as that is anything more than just an x, so negative x, negative 3x, like we're looking at negative 3t, anytime it's more than just that basic variable inside there, it's a chain rule problem. And so what we're looking at right now, it's not much more than our basic little x inside there, but there's definitely something more than just a little x inside there. And so whenever they replace that variable, then we end up needing to do a chain rule. The chain rule saying that I use goes d in times d out, the derivative of the inside piece times the derivative of the outside piece. So in this world, whatever got plugged into that e right there is what I consider to be the inside piece. And so as we put our derivative together, g prime of t right now, we're following this recipe over here. So this is dn, so the derivative of negative 3t would just be negative 3, the t drops off. And then the derivative of the outside here, the derivative of the outside piece, is really just an e derivative. So it's going to follow this rule down here, and it's just going to stay the exact same. So that's our final derivative, and then we go over and look for our answer, and our answer would have been option A.